Welcome back to part 2. In part 1 we saw how to make the planter box and the frame, and now in part 2 we're going to actually assemble the frame and the planter box together. But first I want to just drill a few 12mm holes in the bottom of each of the boxes just for drainage. Okay, I'm using a 12mm auger bit here. Okay. Yeah, just drill straight through there with that, and not to let go any excess water. Now it should clean off, and we'll just get ready for assembling the boxes there. Now, and this frame here, you see we have a left and right, and with the H on the bottom. So I'm just trying to get that piece, that corner there, flush with this front here. Okay, that's just a guideline for me. That's why I decided to put it when I cut this length rail here. Okay, so I'm using 4x70s into pre-drilled holes, and you can do that by hand if you wish. This is much quicker. Just do it left and right. While I'm doing that, I'm pushing down on both pieces also. It's keeping it level on, it's keeping level on the bottom, that is. Okay, that's good. Now, every stuff being flush there and there. I just have to do the very same back edge here. So, stick back in there. 4x70s, and I drill them here at a slight angle. It's better than just drilling them side by side. We're getting more coverage on the timber. Again, I'm pushing down with both pieces to keep it level on each side. Second August. That's it. It. That's the frame. So now you can see there where I remember I was cut the boxes 2mm smaller than the actual spacers here. So the reason for that is that will sit nice and easy and smooth there, right? And this here is also keeping this box nice and level. So it's a great guide for us to start off with. Now, so you can decide that, put that where you want it. I would prefer to have that overlapping a small bit here, so you have a kickboard and a drip for the bad weather, over the rain. And just going to drill in from the sides, both sides in here. You can put one down from the middle there just to keep it held if you wish. So I'm just going to start off and put one down into the bottom frame there. I use some of these holes pre-drilled already, but if you're doing it yourself, you can offer it in, mark both sides there like that, and take it back out and drill through here. Okay, that would be a quicker, safer way, but you have more time. That's what you can do. Yeah. Just get it straight down. Oh, that's the bottom box fixed in. Okay, nice. Going to the top end, so I'm going to turn over on the side there. So here the top is I want to keep it flush with the back edge and the top edge here. That will just stick nicely in there. Just keep it flush there. And at the back. And just back in 4x40s. They're a better screw for this heavier screw. I use 3.5 there because it's a much thinner wood altogether. So, now we'll do the same upwards here. Yeah, the flush at the back and on the top. With 3 hands here, see what. That's it, that's perfect. I'll just get the last one in there then. That's lovely. Now, I'm going to go out the tree down now. So the next thing is that we have to have a kinder space between both our top box. It's going to the middle of that gap there. So the handiest way to do that would be to use spacers. 1 second, I'll try to get away with what spacers we have here. So see that there? Actually, if I turn it on its edge, it's much easier to see it there. The idea that that's sitting nicely level on this planter box here. This box here, just offer that in there. There's two main things that I'm looking out for here. Is that the planter box, you see the gap here, that gap there, and that gap there are even, and that looks pretty good at the moment. And this gap here, and this gap here is even also. So that to me looks pretty good. And that's turned down there then, so that's sitting nicely on that, and it's there, that's carrying through there. So that should be very good at that. And that's good now with that as well, like. That's it. So I can now just move that in the function over here. Put it in that way. Now, that's more. Now we have it. Now it's exactly right there now. You see in there? The bottom is hitting even on this surface, that surface, and across the full bottom of the box. And it's the same there, with that there, and across the top of the top box there. Right, and just check one other thing now before we fix up, is that gap there is parallel, and they're even enough as well. Like, so that could be tapped down a small bit there. Yeah, that's to me, I'd be happy with that now. That's still in line. So now I'll stick in the 4 screws now. That's lovely. So I'm set to spin around now to do that same other side here. Yeah, looks sitting nice and sitting on the back rail there as well. So is that. And let's check. That gap is parallel down there. You can measure it if you want, and you can use your eye. Yeah, that to me is very good. Now I can stick in those 2 screws there now. Now you can see what I'm talking about there. This is sitting nice and level there. They're all level. And that gap, this box here isn't impeding on this one here, and this is very same. So that to me looks very good. And this gap here and that gap there is even. And we're off the ground here. Okay? That to me now is that's the planter angle planter box assembled. So to just recap on what we've done now, today we have made up our angle frame and our support frames underneath, and 3 boxes, and assembled them at different angles, evenly spaced into a frame. And that's what you end up with. Now, when you want to, it's amazing what you can finish up with when you actually put a bit of time and work into it, but use simple tools, basic timber, and a bit of hard work and a small bit of knowledge, and plenty of patience. So I hope you enjoyed that lesson, and thanks very much for watching.